Hi, this is Helena DeBrun. I'm an esthetician and independent consultant with Arbonne. Today I'm going to show you how to use Arbonne's Brighten Up. 4 steps to brighter, flawless looking skin. Everything I'm going to share with you, you can also find out in our Arbonne catalog or at arbonne.com. Crafted to address dull, uneven skin tone and the appearance of dark spots, this Illuminating collection is the answer to brighter, flawless looking skin. The Brighten Up regimen has 4 steps. Step 1 is a pearlescent foaming cleanser. This iridescent cream builds to a luxurious foam, hydrating while it helps to gently remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. The key benefit is that the plant-based surfactants deeply clean without stripping the skin. And I love it because for me, it's even gentle enough to use around my eyes and lips. Use morning and evening. Dampen skin and rub a pea-sized amount of cleanser into a lather. Massage in gentle circular motions all over your face and neck for about a minute. Rinse well with water and pat dry with a clean towel. If you want to use a washcloth, ideally, you use a clean washcloth every time to avoid cross-contamination. My pro tip, exfoliate. Use the skin exfoliator with apricot seed as a second cleanse. Gentle fruit exfoliants buff away skin dulling flakes, revealing a fresh glow, creating the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. Step 2 is the Brighten Up Luminous Serum. This is the hero product of the collection because the lightweight, intensive formula targets the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone, giving skin a brighter appearance when used consistently as part of a twice-daily skincare regimen. The key benefit is that it helps your skin appear even-toned, smooth, and firm. I love it because this powerhouse product is like having a glow filter on your skin 24/7. 1 pump should be enough to cover your face with this highly concentrated, fast-absorbing serum. I recommend an extra pump to cover your neck and décolleté. Apply a thin layer evenly over face and neck. Step 3 is the Brightening Eye Cream with niacinamide. You are going to use a pea-sized amount. I like to use a spatula or spoon. Put it on your ring fingers and apply by patting gently to the upper brow, continuing around the under eye area, avoiding the inner eye and eyelid. This formulation contains cherry blossom extract and caffeine, which makes it a luxurious ally against puffy, tired-looking eyes. And I love it because it enhances brightness around the eyes. And who doesn't want an energized look? Step 4 for day is the Illuminating Lotion with Mineral Broad Spectrum SPF 15. The key ingredient for broad spectrum SPF protection is zinc oxide, which is a mineral sunscreen agent. The key benefit is that it minimizes the risk of sun damage or aging when used with other sun protection measures. To apply the day cream, I like to use a spatula or spoon to get a pinky fingernail-sized amount and with your middle fingers apply in an upward motion towards the hairline. I love it because it delivers lasting hydration without greasiness. Step 4 for night is the Radiant Night Cream. This ultra-hydrating cream works overnight to deliver soft, supple skin by replenishing moisture and providing essential nourishment through moisturization while you sleep. I love it because it's velvety and it melts onto my skin, so it doesn't feel heavy or leave a residue on my pillow. But it does give me good morning face, so I wake up with soft, supple skin. To apply the night cream, use a spatula or spoon to get a pinky fingernail-sized amount and using your middle fingers, apply in an upward motion towards the hairline. Those are your 4 essential steps for day and night for brighter, flawless-looking skin. If you want to enhance your routine, you have 2 choices. An ideal addition to any regimen for minimizing the appearance of skin discoloration is the Brighten Up Targeting Essence with Retinol. This nighttime vegan toning milk will help you improve the look of dark spots, age spots, and other skin discoloration. Another option is to add the Brighten Up Illuminating Toner after you cleanse. Our dual-phase exfoliating toner works double duty as both a skin-softening lotion that also gives an extra exfoliating boost. You can either spritz it with 2 or 3 sprays or use it on a cotton pad. Arbonne's innovative products for your mind, body, and skin unlock the true secret to aging well. Because when you live well, you age well.